Right, so I got some awesome carnage today. I got this up to like 13,000 RPM roughly, something in there. And yeah, the piston just didn't like it. So yeah, that's what's left of it. I'm pretty sure there's more in there. But yeah, this is toast. Roasted, toasted. So, anyways, peace. I just figured I'd share the carnage. That's awesome. So I got a second thought here. Since that's toast, this one's all, I don't know, maybe about half millimeter. All the score lines. I'm gonna bore this out in the milling machine, and I'm gonna recode it since I'm recoding these anyways on my own. This one's all recoded to start with, so I'm gonna just bore it out. 52 millimeter, maybe, and put in a custom piston with 3 rings and see if we can get this thing to start again, which would be kind of freaking hilarious. But yeah, this is the one that came with the broken fin on the top, and I cut it off like that. So we're just gonna reuse this. I mean, I can cut this all out and replate it. So let's do it and see what the hell happens. I'll have to get some blank stock to make a piston the right size, and I'll give you an update in a couple days and we'll see if it runs.